sinabi namin time trials, ano yan, race against time, no? But itong karera natin is race against your time. Paano natin ipo-project yun na kasi mas start kayo, di ba? Sabay-sabay na tatakbo by week. Paano nyo ngayon malalaman kung yung time ko ay pag-finish ko paglusot ko sa finish line I beat my own time.
Yeah, when we talk about the personal best, yung meta time trial is like the best route for having the personal best. But for example, like me, my personal best, for example, is 1 hour and 10 minutes. So for others, that hindi siya masyadong elite or hindi siya masyadong magandang time. But this course or this event would be the best time for you to beat your own personal best. So you don't need to, like, let's say, make the people know that this is your personal best. So it's just more for the best opportunity for you to get your personal best. That's why we try to promote yung shoes, yung course, and yung other things that we will provide for the race. That's why we believe na ito yung best opportunity na makatakbo ka ng 10K na fastest route.
May mga incentives ba kayo doon sa mga winners? At ilang category ba? Babae, lalaki, or lalaki lang? Or,
Babae, lalaki po.
Ano yung incentive natin doon sa...
We'll have to announce it. I-announce pa lang po namin yun soon in our social media accounts for the incentives. Pero definitely po, magbibigay po kami ng prizes to our top 3 in the invitational category. And then, that's for women's and men. So, separate po yun. Tapos, for the open category naman, we'll have 5 winners for men and women.
Ray, ano yung i-expect ng mga runners come October 16 kasi katulad ko nagra-run ako. Pero ang difficulty ko kasi medyo yung BMI ko hindi ko maibaba, no, kasi medyo malakas kumain, medyo paano natin maipapakita sa mga kasasali na yung karera natin ay something that will help them para ma-achieve yung competitive competitive condition.
When it comes to running, the good thing about running is you can compete with yourself. So you just try to make every single day prepared and improvement, personal improvement. So my suggestion is gradual increase tayo ng mileage if we can, and then also we can also set the pace in the best way that you can also finish the race. Baka mamaya kasi you will run fast in the start and then at the end di mo na mapi-finish. So you have to maintain that certain pace na alam mo matatapos mo yung race. So proper breathing, and then of course nutrition, and then mga stretching, and then breaking in of the shoe, and then using the proper footwear, of course, will help. So that's why we're also promoting our foot ID, wherein we have two types of foot ID. You have the 3D foot scan that we use laser for the scanning of the foot, and we have the gait analysis that you have to run in the treadmill, and we will take a video, and then we can look at the alignment of your foot, then we can suggest the proper footwear. So you can use the right footwear, and then of course the shoes that fit you better, you perform better.
Sorry, add ko lang din po. That's why we also have the A6 Running Club para from there, our coaches are present. Matuturuan po sila ng mga tamang drills, ng mga tamang warm-ups, or how to cool down. So, from there, pwede din po nila i-raise kina coaches na I have this, I'm in this situation, how could I improve my running condition? Parang ganun.
Ano yung mga may mga scientific technologies na tinatawag na yun nga sa shoes, sa gear, or mismo sa tao mismo, yung sa personal na yung contour ng yung endurance ng runner.
For the shoes, yes, of course. That's why Japan Technology is, I think, one of the best in the world, because we have our own Institute of Sports Science in Kobe, Japan. So when it comes to running, we have also the what we call it, the pronation. So we can determine your pronation, then suggest the right type of footwork, and then we can also ask questions with what is your speed, what are the distance that you want to run, and then we can suggest a lot of our running shoes. So just to give you a glimpse, we have four subgroups of running shoe. We have the cushion, we have the stability, we have the bounce, and the speed. So our staff will suggest the right pair of shoes for you after asking you some of the important questions, and also after analyzing your foot. So we have different shoe for different foot types as well, and we also have multiple widths. So if your foot is wide, after determining the length and the width of your foot, we can also suggest the perfect fit for you. So you can run with no blisters, no irritation. You can run comfortably.
Thank you.
Good morning. This is just a trivial because Asics has been very famous since many years ago. But what is meant by Asics?
A6 is a Latin expression, anima sana in corpore sano. So it means a sound mind in a sound body. So a healthy mind in a healthy body.
Thank
So if
Alam mo ah.
Yun na nga, nakalagay na nga yung sound ng sound body. So anyway, I have two questions. Anyone can answer, Jex or anyone. First,
Diyan lang pala sa top 3 na
is this the first time that, kasi we're used to running the race to be the first, second, third. Ngayon, is this the first time na magkaka-time trial ng personal best lang yung parang goal swimming? Kasi diba the usual race, una maka-finish line, 1, 2, 3, right? Tsaka ito, parang personal best tatanungin mo. First time ba ito sa atin?
Yung sa meta time trials, you still try to be like first, second, or third. But then it's more of telling yourself that itong race na to is the best place for you to get your personal best. So kasama pa rin siya that you still need to win. Kasi nga if you're first, second, or third, may premium. If you're in the elite category, then if you're in the open category with others, there's still winners. So we just feel that the meta time trial as a race, like even in other countries, is the time to beat your personal best. It doesn't mean na hindi important na you'll get first, second, or third place also.
Yung other question ko, ewan ko medyo di ba yung